Morning, traders. You are welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. So we'll be starting from where we left off in our last episode. Today we are on daily, and we'll quickly review our previous trade. And as we can see, we I talked about all these levels the last time we talked that the kind of price reactions we are getting from this place is something that I can't fully bank on to go up. But nonetheless, since we are yet to have the break of this strong low, I'll be holding on to my trade so that anything can happen in the market. But I did talk about how this level is expected to be broken if at all the price is no longer going up. From the reaction we see here, the last time I came into the market was actually this place. We pick a little trade from this particular level and it did come as expected. This little 1 to 3, 10 pips stop loss, and it did materialize. So from that place, we are expecting price. And as we can see, from the way we even planned the trade, it did come accordingly because we have this level being tapped into our point of interest, and market did give us some reaction. But what we are seeing, what we saw from what happened here was the fact that okay, the market will give us some kind of reaction, comes above this level, rate the liquidity above here, and it's continued downward. Yesterday, I wasn't in good space to come and give us some kind of analysis. So I was hoping that, okay, maybe this level might want to be rated to give us some kind of reversal into. But even we come to do some analysis yesterday, we would have been able to catch this move downward because it is what we've been expecting. But nonetheless, we're able to back on this 1 to 3, and the loss that we took here, this one replace it. So no loss. And but anything can happen in the market. You should always have it at the back of your mind that is a risky game. So we are good with that. So just perfect your risk management and you are good to go. Okay. So let's erase all our annotations. The share session is nothing much. My trade, I just use it once in a while. Starting from daily now, from what we are seeing, always trading what we can see in the market. We are moving to the right side of the market, and if I thought we are seeing anything, what I would just let's take it from here. This was our weak high. But as we can see, it did not close above it. So automatically it turns to liquidity that was taken. So that was a turtle soup. So the liquidity above that high was taken and it didn't close below it. Then since we have the liquidity being taken, then here becomes a flip. That becomes a flip. Then what are we looking for? We are looking for this our trade now. And yeah, we'll be waiting for this candle to close. Today is the last day of the month, and at the same time, is the what is it called? Is the last day of the week. So we have this level here, and moving to the right side of the market. And as you can see, we've gotten a flip here. The This low has been broken. This particular low too was broken, but the flip did happen from here, from this particular level. And we have is where the first flip happened. We are on daily, and that's the reason why we can just have a major flip there. To do that one here, this is the leg that sponsored the break of the taking of this liquidity that sponsored the turtle soup that we have above that level. So if I thought we're going to be doing anything, so that place will be taken off to something. But for us to have a clearer view of the market, we're going to come to this particular level here that we have here. So here becomes our major flip of 4 hour, and we have, so when we have something like that, what do we, here becomes our strong guy, that becomes our strong guy, then automatically here becomes our weak low from what we are seeing, but weak low is yet to be created. So what are we expecting from this level? Here becomes our range, but nonetheless, what will still be until we notice a reversal pattern from here that is ready to give us something into this particular level that we have here. Till we have a reversal pattern that, okay, we want to retrace or we want to reverse. So we're not going to be shifting to buy, but what we'll be willing to trade from here is continuation. So it's continuation of what is going on here. So where is the level, the closest level we have, and we have other block from here. And if at all we're going to be taking it, so just be picking that full range because what we have here comes to our strong eye also, because that's the level that sponsor the bridge of this that sponsor this flip that we have that causes the trend change. So here becomes our other block. But nonetheless, that's the last side of the market. But we have another level here. Market can use to give us some kind of reaction. That's a fair value gap. And if we have a fair value gap from it on within this place now, automatically, and we have internal structure. There are two internal structures that we have here. So, but let's go to minor time frame to see what we can actually do capitalize on. So to be on the safer side, because we have a lot of news that is coming today, but if I'm going to be taking any trades, we can see that this place has actually been this particular level here. There is another level here. The market can be using to kind of give us some reaction, and is variable on this particular level too. And anything can happen within the market. And as we can see, there is an internal structure here on 1 hour, which has been really an internal structure. But the reason why I'm going to be taking this particular level is simply because of the previous trade that we had here. So if at all if I'm going to be taking any trades, it's going to be from this particular level here. In the sense that we do have some, but here can serve as a mitigation block. This particular level that we have here can be our mitigation block. So these three levels are the levels in which we'll be expecting market to react from. And as we can see on 4 hour, this is an untapped internal structure that we might be expecting some kind of reaction from. And today is the last day of the month. We have a lot of news coming on board today. So today being 28th, the last day of the month, we have a lot of news on our plate. Very, very high impact news. So we have a lot of high impact news coming from Europe and United States. So will be today is being the last Friday of the month also. We'll be expecting some kind of uh, high impact news from US too. So but this is the level we'll be looking to take trades from. I have these three levels here. I'm anticipating price to react from. But let's check weekly to see. if there is anything. Okay. So we have both side of previous week was inside bar. So and as we can see, let's check monthly to see if there is something we can actually did capitalize on. Okay. So you can see both previous high, previous low wasn't taken. So anything can happen today. Anything can happen today. Today might be the day that will sponsor either this side to be taken, the last, this downside or this high side to be taken. But we are not fully interested in whatever it does on those time frame. So let's just stick to our trade on daily. And we have this particular level here, this big order block that we might be expecting market to react from and sponsor the price higher. Anything can happen, but to me it has been taken, but nonetheless we can have a manipulation into the level and it can actually send price up. So if I'm going to be taking any trades at all, I'll be taking this particular, it's going to be short. So taking this level, they are all high, high trades. So it's going to be 23 and 3, and it's going to be uh, 1, 1, 5. So that's 1.5, which is transcending going below this particular level here. But nonetheless, everything within the market. But nonetheless, I would like to take this internal structure. But we have this fair value gap here and this other block here. Today being the last day of the month, anything can happen. So I'll be taking all these three levels. I'll be taking all the levels. Taking all the levels that we have here. I'll be taking all the levels. Anything can happen. So I'll be taking everything. 17 pips. That one is still okay. So we can make it 18 pips stop loss. And that will give us 2 times 5, 10. That's 90 pips. That's going to give us 1 to 5. Now is a major structure, and we are back on. We are back. Okay, we are okay with that 18 pips. I'm going to be taking another one, the last. So this will be my level of invalidation. This is 30 pips stop loss, which I'm going to be making 31 pips, and here will be 1,055 pips, yeah, which will give us our 1 to 5. So yeah, this is going to be my trades. So these are going to be my trades on Hero for today. Since we have some high impact news, and I wouldn't mind. So market can give us some kind of reaction either from this level or from this level or from this level. So I'm ready to sacrifice whichever one comes. So if this is what will be, then we'll be targeting 155 pips. From this level, we'll be targeting only 90 pips. What I want from the trade is 1 to 5. So I'm risking 3% to gain 5%. So if the first trade win, I then lose the remaining two trades, I don't lose it. So if the second one picked and give me the kind of reaction I'm expecting from the market, then so this is going to be my trade for today on Euro. Until I have until before I can be switch to buy again until my major lower high is being broken and closed above. So this is going to be my trade. So for today, thank you very much. Have a profitable day.